for most children. Some parents choose not to send their children, obviously, to preschool, and if they don't, usually those parents realize that, they can provide many similar kinds of experiences at home, one-on-one with their children, but often will also get involved in play groups with other families that are also quote-unquote homeschooling. Lots of parents put their children in preschool these days because both parents do work, and so they're looking for a setting that's going to provide not just babysitting but also educational benefits. There are not that many pure preschool programs left. Mostly it's daycare where their preschool is part of it. And even this program, eventually there are plans for it to expand and be, like preschool, but also some of the more daycare benefits in terms of serving a full lunch and rest time and after school programs and that kind of a thing. But those early years are just so extremely important. Preschool years, if you're looking at 3 and 4-year-olds or 3 to 5-year-olds, it's that time period when they're going from infancy to being more independent school-age kids. It's when they start to separate from their parents and tend to gravitate towards their peers if they're normally developing. They want to spend time with friends and to play in quality settings with good materials. So, preschool, if it's ideal, should support all areas of development in terms of, physical development, gross motor and fine motor, developing the hands and fingers, as well as social, emotional, cognitive, and language development. So, it can be done well without being in a formal setting, but, studies are proving over and over again that those early years are so important. It's one of the reasons why in Virginia and many other areas, all the public schools are now have at least a 4-year-old program before kindergarten.